Today I'm going to be giving you some quick tips, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Aylen, the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach you, the dancers and the teachers, to be the very best that you can be. This is, after all, ballet for everybody. Now, I'm going to be talking about how to remember combinations, so let's get to it before I forget. The first tip is mark the combinations with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And tip 2, count it in eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you're doing that, then you're marking and you're using your hands and counting simultaneously. The third tip is the musicality. Now, when you mark everything with the music, then it really imprints on you're using both sides of your brain when you do that. So, for instance, I don't care about expensive things, cashmere coats, diamond rings, no, not me. All I care about is love. That's what we're here for. We would love it if you would subscribe. Really, I would love it. Also, go check out CherylAyle.com. It's really cool. And this channel is all about helping dancers dance better, teachers teach better. Remember, hit that subscribe button and I'll make you the best in the whole wide world.